Contently is a content marketing platform that connects freelance writers, editors, and content creators with businesses and publishers looking to create high-quality, engaging content. By using Contently, content creators can find and apply for writing jobs, build their portfolios, and collaborate with clients. To make money online with Contently in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. Research and preparation. Identify your niche or areas of expertise, e.g., technology, health, travel, etc. Learn about content marketing and the types of content in demand, blog posts, articles, social media posts, etc. Familiarize yourself with Contently's platform and its features. Sign up for Contently. Create an account on Contently's website, contently.com. Complete your profile, including your bio, portfolio, and work experience. Ensure your profile showcases your skills, expertise, and previous work. Build your portfolio. If you're new to freelance writing, create sample articles or blog posts in your chosen niche. Showcase your best work in your portfolio to attract potential clients. Continuously update your portfolio with new samples to demonstrate your growth and versatility. Apply for jobs. Browse Contently's job board for available writing opportunities. Tailor your application to each job, highlighting your relevant skills and experience. Submit your application and follow up if needed. Network and promote your services. Engage with clients and other content creators on Contently's platform. Connect with potential clients on social media and professional networks like LinkedIn. Share your work on your personal blog or social media channels to attract more clients. Deliver high-quality work, meet deadlines, and adhere to the client's guidelines and requirements. Communicate effectively with clients to ensure their expectations are met. Continuously improve your writing skills and adapt to clients' feedback. Build a reputation. Receive positive reviews and ratings from clients on Contently. Ask satisfied clients for testimonials or recommendations that you can showcase on your profile. Maintain a strong relationship with clients to secure repeat work and referrals. Diversify your income streams. Explore other freelance platforms and job boards to find additional writing opportunities. Offer related services like editing, proofreading, or content strategy consulting. Consider creating and selling your own digital products, such as ebooks or online courses. By following these steps, you can successfully make money online with Contently in 2024 and build a rewarding career as a freelance content creator.